back to a brand new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you a machine gun. It's a machine gun, and this can come off on the back. Just get that. Let's get off that. Okay. Sorry. And it holds, I think, 20. I don't really know. There's 20 right there. Look at that. And it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It fires like this. It like spins around like pew pew, so it's like sorting but like firing like this, just like that. And wow, that was a quick one. So yeah, link in the description and click the bell like. Upload a brand new video sometime else.